We are talking about different types of coils. Pushable, retractable, or retrievable coils. Pushable coils, once you push them inside a vessel or a target region, once they are inside the catheter, they are not to be retrieved. So you deploy them, you have to be certain about the position. The retractable coils, you can push it inside an aneurysm or a vessel to occlude it, but if you are not happy with the position, you can pull it back and readjust and even remove and attempt another position of the catheter. The shape of the coil is also important. When we are coiling aneurysms, we need framing coils first. We call them 3D coils. They are not available here. So you form a cage or elliptical according to the shape of the aneurysm first, and inside it you can pack other coils, 3D coils or 2D coils, it depends. So when we are talking about coating of the coils, we have different types as well. So we have fibered coils like these coils from Cook. We have microfibers on them. The function there, they are thrombogenic. They will catch platelets and it will form a clot easier, and they will occlude the vessel easier and sooner. The other coils used in cerebral interventions, they are not fibered, and this makes sense. We want to avoid thrombosis in these vessels, avoid to have complications like stroke. There are other coils, they can suck fluid and they will expand by size, hydrogel coils, different types of coils. Detachment mechanism is also different. So in these coils, you can unscrew them by turning them anti-clockwise. They're pushable, yes. They're retrievable coils. So you can unscrew them, you can break in other coils, you can break a thread inside them, and the coil will be deployed, or electromechanical by attaching it to a device outside. We have interlock, where you have the coil pusher, like a shape like this with the coil. Once you push it outside the catheter, it will be detached. So these are the types of coils. So we are now demonstrating.
This is detachable coil called retractor, coming an 035 system. Okay. Here you can label with diameter, sorry, the diameter and the length. This is 4 mm diameter and 7 centimeter length. Okay, I will guide you through the deployment. We just want to put this cartridge in the hub of the catheter.
They have already supporting catheter or sheath in place, and this is your target vessel. What is the important thing if you are embolizing the vessel like this? To have your catheter inside the vessel in secured position. Okay, nice inside it to control the deployment of the coil. Not very close to the origin. You want to avoid coiling of unnecessary, yes.
Just
or non-target coiling.
To unlock it and push it like this inside the catheter. We put this Y connector to a post to have a chance to inject contrast media. If you are not happy with the position, you can retrieve it back and reposition it again. So yeah, you can put it and start.
This is a great chance for you to know how to do coils. So if you are in trouble, you have a vessel which is bleeding, you have the tool to stop bleeding.
Just hub it here, exactly, hub it here, and then close, or to keep the position. And keep your your system straight. Okay, watch your catheter there, the position is not changing, the whole system is relaxed and straight. And start pushing. Okay? Push.
Once we show it
Inside. So you pushed it, you can unlock or detach from even this one. Now you can hold that. Push, keep the system straight and watch your So what is your target? Oh, not that fast. You have to allow coiling. So you have to back it. Slowly deploy and see. See, this is kicking back. This is not okay. If you see something like this, you can use it as a wire and readjust. So push your catheter over the coil and push again slowly and see. See, this is the shape you want to achieve. Carry on. شوي شوي, slowly. It's framed like circular movement.
And how much packing do you do compared to the diameter? There is an equation that you use.
Yeah,
There's a junction to half of it
the
inside,
orientation
half of it
is in
outside.
arterial
This
system.
is a junction.
You do a 20% upsizing. So you measure the vessel. If you have 4 millimeter vessel, so you
Yeah.
take 5 or 6 millimeter coil in diameter.
Okay.
And the length, it depends on the length of. You can estimate if the length is not that important.
Okay.
Yeah, you can use a second or third.
Excellent.
How many
For the
coils maximum
diameter,
can you use?
You can use 10 coils. Depends on the length of the vessel.
There is no limit for.
No, there is no.